everybody, welcome back. I am going to do a quick little favorite things kind of haul for you. These are 10 of my favorite things right now, and I thought that would be kind of fun, kind of show you what I like, things I use on a regular basis, and it's a big variety. There's some beauty products, there's some household products, things like that. So, I'm also going to tell you, I do have bronchitis right now, so, sorry for the kind of raspy voice I have going on, but we are going to go ahead and get started. I am going to start with this. This is the Amazon Fire Stick. Now, we have had these for quite a few years now, and we actually have them on every one of our TVs. We have 3. We have one in the playroom, one in our living room, and then the one in our master bedroom. We do not pay for TV. We have Hulu and Netflix. So total, we probably pay about $25 a month for those. And then we have our Fire Stick. And it was probably the best thing we did. We were paying like $100 for TV every month, which is crazy. So, the Amazon Fire Stick is one of my favorites. Next, I'm going to go to these. They're probably not the greatest for you. I like them. I'm not big. I know you're supposed to get up and drink water in the morning, but I like to have something that has a little bit of flavor. And I used to get up and have a Diet Dr. Pepper every morning. And that, I think, is worse than this. Not that this is amazing for you, but this has some energy in it. It's sugar-free. Anyway, there is caffeine in it, and you just add it to a bottle of water. These are the Great Value Energy packets. They're just, I'll show you. I just got this one. Just like a little pack of juice. This is the peach mango. That is my favorite. So I'll get up, I'll mix this with a thing of water in the morning. It's kind of like a bonus because I then will get my whole bottle of water in the morning. So, I love these. I get up, I take my vitamins with them. I take my medicine, anything that I take in the morning. I have one of these usually before I will do anything in the morning. Alrighty, this next thing, this is new to me. I just got this the other day, especially with being sick. It has been wonderful. This is a roll-on oil mixture. It is from Young Living, and it is called Breathe Again. If you can see that, if it'll focus. I don't know if it's going to focus on it, but this, like I said, it's a roller. It's an essential oil roll-on. It has a bunch of different oils in it. Peppermint, eucalyptus, blue cypress. Anyway, I just, before I go to bed, I'll put a little bit on my chest. Sometimes I'll put it up around my nose. It kind of smells like a cough drop. Anyway, so I have been loving this. My friend gave this to me the other day, and it really has worked great. So, next, I just got these probably a few weeks ago. I picked these up. These are the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Lips. They're the same. They're just different colors. So you can see that right there. I have the colors Pioneer, which is a bright red, and Lover, which is like a pinky color. It's actually the one I have on right now. I don't wear a ton of lipstick, but occasionally I like to have it on. I feel like it kind of finishes your face. So I put some on today for you guys so you can kind of see what it looks like on. But I love these. They are kind of like the lip scents that is popular right now. You put it on, you can put chapstick on it, you can put anything on it, and it's really not going to come off. So, loving these. Again, they are the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. Get down, Spice. Okay. Next, I picked this up the other day at TJ Maxx, and I love a body spray. like I said, I think I've said it before in a video, I'm not huge on perfumes. Because I feel like they're really strong. And these are not as strong. And I just like them. So, usually when I go to TJ Maxx or Ross or Marshalls or places like that, I will look at the ones they have. And they usually always have the perfume in the same scent. But like I said, I just like to get the body mist. And this is the Tommy Bahama Very Cool scent. And this was $6.99 when I got it the other day. And it just smells very clean and fresh. I can only smell it out of one nostril right now. So, that is one of my favorites right now. Alright, this is the next. It's number 6. Number 6 is the Hemp's Body Moisturizer. This is the Vanilla Plum scent. I have always loved the hemp lotions. In high school, I worked at a tanning salon, and we sold these, and I love them. I like the original scent. There's only been a few of the scents that I don't like, but I just love that it is not necessarily as thick as a body butter, but it's not super thin and runny like a lotion. So, especially with the winter and it's been dry here. We actually just got our first rain yesterday, and it hadn't rained in a long time, and it had been cold and dry, and my skin just wasn't ready for it. So this has been wonderful. So again, it's the Hemp Vanilla Plum Moisturizer. Alright, these are my next. I got these. These are just the Merona brand from Target. And I actually showed these in my Target haul the other day. They are a loafer shoe. They were on sale. I think they were like $8. I had kind of been looking for a pair, but I hadn't found any that I really liked. I didn't want anything that was too crazy. I just wanted very plain. Something that would match with a lot of things. I like a shoe that I can just slip on. And these aren't too fancy. They're not... but yet they're not like a flip-flop or something. So, I have been loving these. Like I said, they were $8, so they're not super expensive. I know I'm sure at some point they were more expensive than that, but like I said, I got them on sale. So, I've been loving these. Merona Black Suede Flats. Okay, now we're going to move into some bigger items. I'm going to grab them really quick if you just want to hold on. Let's see here. Let's start with this one. Alrighty, guys. If you have not heard about the Instant Pot yet, you need to get online and look for it right now. I have always been a fan of a crock pot. I use a crock pot often, especially after having children. It really makes life easier because I can get things ready and put them in there in the morning after I get the kids to school, and it can cook all day, and I don't have to worry about dinner. When at the end of the day like that, it's usually crazy. My husband's getting home from work, 4:30, 5 o'clock is like the witching hour. I feel like that's when my kids go absolutely nuts. So it's nice to not have to worry about with a crock pot. This thing has changed everything. It is an Instant Pot. It's like a pressure cooker. Lid opens. My insert is not in there because I cooked in it last night. And basically, it cooks things insanely fast. I made a corn chowder with ground turkey in it last night, and it had I sauteed. You can saute things, so I sauteed the meat and cut up the potatoes and the corn and the cream and the Velveeta cheese and the chicken broth, and I put everything in there, and it cooked for 10 minutes, and it was completely done. It's amazing. So I love it. There's a million different recipes out there right now for them. So yeah, it's handy. I got this for my birthday this year, and I love it. I use it at least a couple times a week. So, Instant Pot. Love. Alright. These ones are a little bit bigger. I'm going to... Okay. This is probably not going to show up all the way in the frame, but this is my new vacuum, and I love it. I used it, so it's, of course, got dirt in it, but this is the Shark Rotator, the Professional, and it's amazing. Everybody that I had asked about vacuums recommended Shark, and they recommended this one. So it's got the wand that comes off. This whole thing actually lifts off the base, and you can just carry this around with the wand. It's not crazy heavy. It all clicks together really easy, and I just love it. I have no complaints about it so far, and I have used it for everything from dusting my fans to cleaning my baseboards to vacuuming out my couches and my my cushions. It has a bunch of different attachments that you can use. There's two that stay on the back, and then there's like an upholstery brush and a couple different things that came with it. So I love it. And this last one, also kind of big. Try not to get it in my fan. I don't know if it says it on that side. Yeah. This is the O-Cedar spinning mop. Mine's still kind of wet. I just used it yesterday. But my friend Kristen on YouTube, Kristen Casper, she got one of these mops. I think she just got it. I don't think she got it for a gift or anything. But I got this for Christmas. This is what I bought myself from my children. They didn't even know. But I love it. I used to dread mopping. We have white tile in our main area of our house, and I feel like it's always dirty. So this makes mopping so much easier and so much less stressful. You fill it up with water, you get your mop wet, you put it in here, you push on the pedal right here, which is of course not going to work, I'm not pushing on it, and this spins. So basically it's like a salad spinner, you know, the spinners that you put your salad in and you pull it and it like gets all the water off of it. That's basically what this is. It spins and kind of takes out most of the water, and then you can mop. It's easy to clean. The head of this pops right off. You can wash this. You can buy replacement ones for it. It's amazing. It's like the best $30 I've spent in a long time. All right, guys, so that is going to be it. That is my top 10 favorite things right now. And it is, let's see, January 11th, I believe. So, if anybody has any questions about any of the items, I will try to link every one of them in the description below, so you can go ahead and get on and find them. The shoes are probably the only thing I might not be able to get a link for, only because they were on sale. I think they were probably last fall's or winter's style. But everything else I will link in the description box below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you. I have been really trying hard to get videos out. I finally got the editing program on my computer, so now I'm not having to do it on my phone anymore. I have been using my camera and my tripod, and it's been wonderful. So, click that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions on any of the items, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.